Hello teachers. So in this particular video, I'll be covering up how to install Diksha app in your mobile phone. In the similar way, I will let you know about how to join a course in Diksha. So first of all, I would request teacher to download Diksha app from the Play Store. They can type Diksha and they can search for this application. After getting this application, we can prefer to install it. So click on to install option. It will take a moment of time to get it installed. After it will get installed, just open it. First of all, there will be a similar screen where you have to choose your language for the first time to use the app. So I would suggest you to choose English or Hindi. I am choosing English and I will press on to continue. After clicking onto that, I have to choose the type of account. I would choose teacher. After choosing that, I have to select the board. I'll be clicking onto that and I'll choose CBSE NCERT and I will submit the information. After that, they'll be asking for the medium, that is English. After that, I have to choose the class for which I have created the account. For example, it's for class 10, 9, 8, 7 and 6. So I'll be clicking on to submit after checking the classes. After press on to continue. After clicking onto them, you will get a screen like this. You can click on to cross option over there. You can find you have chosen the class from 6 to 10. So all the digital test book regarding all those classes are available for me. You can find it out starting from English, Geography, Hindi, History, Mathematics, Pol Science and Science. All the books are available for me. In the similar way, I can switch to any other class by clicking on to the respective classes. And I can choose the specific book as well as the respective content from there. So after that, you can also find it out at the lower bottom. There's an option called courses just beside the library option. So you can click on to courses option. As you can find, after clicking onto that, they're asking me to join a course. But I can join a course by logging into the system first. So I need to join Diksha portal with my email ID. So I would rather suggest you to choose the option that is sign in with Google option. So after clicking onto them, it will ask my email ID and then after it will also ask for my password. After clicking onto them, I can see that all the courses are getting ready for me. It will take a moment of time and then after you can find my name is written over there and I'm ready with the content. You can find in the courses section over there, there are various question options that I have done. There are various courses that I have completed. These are the courses that I have completed. And these are the courses that I will complete in my future. But I am already enrolled in it. So what I need to do is that I need to click on to any course and then after I need to click on to start learning option. So after clicking on to that, I can go through every module that has been provided over there. I have to click onto a module, and then after I have to click on to play, and then after the module will start to work. In the similar way, I have to complete all the module, and I can easily track my progress that 0 out of 7 is completed. In the similar way, the module that I have already completed, I am showing you how it will look like. If I will complete a module, I can find it out. You have successfully completed this course. It will be written like this. Okay. So in the similar way, you can find that all the modules are green ticked. It means that I have completed the course. And here also you can find it out. The message is already shown to me. I have successfully completed the course. In the similar way, I have to just enroll myself in a CBSE course through Diksha portal. And after that, I'll be completing that course. So there is another question that come into play, is that how to just get enrolled into a course. So after clicking on to course option over there, you can find various courses detail that is shown over there. It's mathematics courses detail. There are other courses detail that are over there. You can choose any courses over there, and then after just think about that. I want to join a course that is related to pedagogy of mathematics. I'll be clicking over there, and here the course is already been done, so I cannot join this particular course because no batch is available. In the similar way, I have to search for a specific course, and after getting a specific course, I have to join that course. And if I will join that course, I will get the course detail at the top of my page in my courses section. So I have to click over there, and then after I need to continue with my course. So this is the way in which a teacher can prefer to complete as many courses they want to. So after completion of the course, teacher can go to the profile option, and they can also find which course they have done and which course they have already completed. So certificate will be automatically generated over there. They can click on to any certificate, and they can either download it or they can either view it. So all the certificate are getting downloaded automatically over there, and they need not to search for the certificate anywhere. So in the courses section, you can find it out. Just think about that. I want to join this Ayush course. So I have to click over there, and I have to click on to join course. As soon as I'll be clicking over there, I'll be enrolled in that particular course. Here you can find the course end date is 31/12/2030. And in the similar way, after completion of the course, I'll be getting a certificate from there. So courses module consisting of all those kind of sections that I have to complete. After I'll be clicking on to join course, I'll be enrolling myself in a specific course. Just right now you can see ki your progress is 0% completed. Okay, so after I will clicking on to start learning, I can continue with my course, and I have to complete the module part by part, and after completion of the module, I can find it out. It will show the course is getting completed. So after completion of it, I will find the total module. I will find the completion status. For example, 6% completed right now. So in this way only I have to cover all the courses. I have to go through all the content that is over there, and in the end of the time I have to practice the question also. So in this way only after I can complete all the courses successfully. So thank you teacher for hearing this particular video.